What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Spotify is rolling out two brand new features. The first is lossless audio and the second is mix. Lossless audio, as you expect, is much higher quality audio with a 24-bit bit depth. Not only will it use a lot more data, but it'll give you much higher quality audio. Now, Spotify have been teasing lossless audio for a very long time, as in multiple years. It's finally here, but it's not quite true lossless audio, as you'll find out in the headphone show video linked down below, which breaks down why exactly it's not exactly the same quality as Tidal and things like that. But skipping over those, it should still give you a pretty big boost in audio quality as long as you're a Spotify premium subscriber and you meet a few other criteria. You'll need to obviously actually gain access to it. You'll need to A, be inside of a qualifying country, which should slowly be expanding, B, be selected at mostly random, and they are expanding over the next month, which is October, all the way to hopefully everyone in those countries. And of course, you'll need to be running Spotify or Spotify Connect fully updated. You can click the three dots in the top left of your desktop client. Up here, choose Help and About Spotify to find the version that you're currently on. As long as you're above desktop version 1.2.67 or mobile 9.0.58, then assuming you qualify, you have access to this feature. You can click this text here to update Spotify if any updates are pending. Once you get back in, click the three dots in the top left, hover over Edit and choose Preferences, or use Ctrl or Command P to bring up this screen here. Then scroll down until you see Audio Quality, where under Streaming Quality and Download, you should see a drop-down, which at the very end should have Lossless. As you'll see, I'm obviously missing that, as A, I'm not within one of these countries which should currently have access, B, I'm not part of the even smaller demographic where random users within that country are being selected, and of course, no, I really don't think using a VPN will get you around this, as your Spotify is linked to a country based on how you pay for it, as you'll obviously need to be a premium member. So unfortunately, I don't have access, but at some stage, hopefully they do expand to my country, or at least a workaround is discovered. If there is one, you'll find it linked down below, probably in the comments. Again, I must stress that it is random for users within these countries as they slowly expand through October to hopefully every premium subscriber in those countries, and of course in the future they'll probably expand to more. You can scroll down on this page if you've got more questions, basically around data and how it will work really, as well as some extra quality info. But of course, you just really need to be lucky and in the right geographic region. The same goes for Spotify Mix, which allows you to make your own transitions between songs and things like that, which does seem like a pretty cool feature, but again, it is rolling out slowly. You need to be within a lucky few selected as it slowly grows in randomized users. I guess this is their way of testing it out just to make sure their servers don't get overloaded if everyone changes to lossless, for example, etc. Overall, I've gone through a couple of different guides seeing exactly how to do this, as I had no access and a lot of people were complaining about the fact that nobody mentioned this random aspect to it. So there you go. Hopefully this video did help you. And again, you'll find everything you need to know linked down below for both Spotify Lossless and Mix, so you can hopefully stay up to date on that. But yeah, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.